Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Where is Brittany. I'm coming to you from Green River, Wyoming. Today started off great, but as you saw from the thumbnail, it didn't end well. Unfortunately, things like this tend to happen when your home is awesome, but the car part of it isn't so reliable. Anywho, welcome to Solo Van Life and my self-converted Skoolie named Domino. There will be no music in today's video. I hope you enjoy the natural sounds. Wow. Some big overland vehicle came yesterday. Sheesh. Silly girl. Jada, baby. No. Be careful. Be careful. Jada, be careful. Be careful, girl. What you doing? Alrighty, friends, it's kind of unfortunate. I was about to move Dom to the campground that was further up because I just didn't want a chance, getting stuck in the dirt, even though I know the ground is like super hard and I wouldn't get stuck. But yeah, Dom won't crank up. So I just called a few places. I'm literally about to get towed from the beach to a shop, and that's almost like $400. And then go to a a company to see what the deal is going on. So I'll probably be at a hotel and everything. But at least it's Thursday. And I was literally going to leave out on Saturday, and I wouldn't have cranked up on Saturday. So sooner rather than later. So I have like an hour to get Dom ready and pack me a bag to stay at a hotel and stuff. So yeah, there's that. He's here. And we have a break in the weather, so that's perfect. All right. That sound you hear, that's Domino. She cranked up literally the first time I made it to the place. The guy comes in like, hey, do you mind if I try and crank her up? And he didn't even put on the brakes. He didn't press the brakes. He literally was just sitting to the side and put the key in, and Domino just started up. He did it 3 times and she started up, y'all. 3 times. And the crazy thing is, I just paid $265 for this tow. He gave me a cash discount, which was very cool. But like, I tried to crank her up 3, 4, 5 different times. I put coolant in there because her coolant looked like it was kind of low. I tried to spray that like engine fire starter, like super fast stuff, but it was out, and I'm upset that I still had the bottle in here, so I need to throw that out anyway. But he was like, don't do that to your engine. Plus Domino has a brand new engine. So he told me I can sleep the night here. Really nice. It says cameras everywhere. I'll be fine to sleep here, and it's still running. He wants Dom to stay running to see if anything happens, you know, right now. But then again, in the morning, we gonna try it again, crank it up and see what happens. But this is not the business, because this wasn't how is she cranking up. Like, I'm about to meditate because I did not do my morning meditation or my meditation yet. So I'm gonna meditate and see, because y'all, baby. Good morning, friends. Last night we slept pretty good. It was a train. Well, yeah, the train is like literally right there. But they only whistled one time the whole night, so that was nice. It was like a little light muffle. I had my little soothing music going, so I didn't really get bothered. I slept pretty good. Mark, the mechanic, he plugged Dom into that little reader thingy, and just old old codes were showing up, so he cleared out those codes, because yesterday we kind of went through all of my paperwork. Every time I took Dom to the mechanic, I kept all of her paperwork and just kept it in the glove box. So we went through all of that yesterday and kind of put it in chronological order, and he cleared all of that stuff off of the dashboard from the check engine light. And we just right now just have Dom running. He said it would be best to leave her running for a minute to see if any codes pop up. I also can just, you know, drive a bit. It's a place right up the way, like 5 miles, that I actually could park at tonight. Yeah, I think I might just stay in the area. Rock Springs is not too far away either. So I don't know. I'm gonna have some coffee, pick up Jada's poop, and figure out life, okay? All right, friends, I'm back in the driver's seat, and all of the codes are gone off the dash. He wants me to drive Dom a bit, just to see if anything comes on, and if not, then literally I'm good to go. We're about to go to a park, and I'm gonna post up there, make a Mountain House breakfast or something like that, and then drive around the town a little bit and just see. If not, I have an oil change appointment tomorrow with Les Schwab. We just put a little bit of oil in her now because her oil was just a little bit low, but technically she's not due for an oil change for another like 9 miles. So I'm doing really good about keeping up with her services and stuff. So yeah, that's it. So we just made it to a super cute little park. It's green and green and green and views and just these little hills and everything. So I think we're gonna walk across this little bridge and just see what's on the opposite side. It's gonna be a slow chill day. I don't know, Dom not cranking up and stuff yesterday just kind of threw me off for real, and then for her to just crank up and act like nothing's wrong, it's just you know. Wait a minute, Jada done got wrapped up. Come this way, girl. Yeah, so you know, I just don't know, friends. It didn't snow, but I'm just gonna enjoy this little day. The sun is peeking through the clouds every now and again. It's a little chilly, but you know, whatever. I got my sweater and I'm gonna do some walking. So yeah, let's get to it. So we are still in Green River, Wyoming, and here's the little trail map. And yeah, you ready, girl? Come on. There's Dom. It's pretty. Aww. That was the year I graduated high school, 2005. Good girl. You want me to throw it? Go get it.